Hi guys, welcome to my yard, welcome to my patio. Well, okay, thank you for welcoming me to your area. Oh, you guys are so cute. The little baby one here is so cute. Mm-hmm. Oh, here comes some more. Apparently our grassy area is the place to be. I've never seen anything like this. We mind our own business, they mind their own business, and we just kind of coexist, huh? Isn't that right? I know you don't understand a word I'm saying to you. Grunt. I heard that. Yeah, I heard that. Grunt. Shake your head at me. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yep, grunt. Oh. Alright, babies, well, I'm going back inside. Have a good morning. Enjoy your grass.